Hello and welcome to VoicePod Presents The Great Business Story Transforming India in association with NDTV Profit. Now our guest today is someone whose passion is to create simple solutions for complex problems. We have with us today Mr. Sekhar Surabhi. He is the CEO and President of Caliber Technology. Pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you, Avika.
Congratulations on the big 25 years milestone. It's a big achievement. Tell us, for our viewers, what is the thing that you're most proud of in the last 25 years or what you really created?
So when we started entire journey in 2001, Pharma itself was in industry 2.0. We were just talking about automation, innovation kind of thing.
Yeah.
But when we start now, if you look at today, it is Pharma 4.0. They have grown huge. And then it is like, growing together, it's a huge excitement. Now, having said that, one thing what we are really proud of is, we help pharma companies in making that patient life safer, the medicine safer. And truly it is, amazing to look at the entire journey what we have got. And whenever we find medicines with our own companies which are using our product on the medicine chest, we really feel proud of it.
But what about innovation? In the last 25 years, what would you say, would be the milestone when it comes to innovation or the achievement when it comes to actually, because today is the age of innovation.
So when you talk about innovation, even today, we are first in the globe to be with a 100% paperless laboratories with digital displays. Nobody else has done it. And we were the first in SAP certification of ESOA. And that's globally first. And several first in our back. So we are really, innovation is our core area.
Core, clearly.
Now with US FDA as well as European regulators coming out with huge change in the regulations. So they're talking about regulations being self-regulations to the industry. So when they're doing that, there's a huge technology shift. They're talking about AI, Gen AI, a lot of things. So we are in the forefront of Gen AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, with huge things coming up from the innovation. And we're also proud to have launched 9 products this year, which are very innovative. Nobody has seen in the world so far, and we are first to launch.
Mr. Sekhar, you've spoken about innovation, right? In this world of digital transformation, when we see, everybody's talking about digitalization. From where you sit, how do you see technology truly changing, not just the quality, but also compliance in pharma over the next few years? Your take on that?
Yeah, there is a lot happening in quality and in technology environments. So if you look at the quality expectations from the regulators, there's a quality on one side and the timelines on the other side, and the supply chains. So there's a huge transformation going on. Pharma 4.0 has been the leader for now digital transformation. So ISPE, where I'm on board of ISPE, ISPE is International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering. I'm on the board. I'm honored to be the Pharma 4.0 Community of Practice Chair for India. So that brings us an opportunity to talk to or interact with the pharma leaders, and then look at the celebration of knowledge along with them is one of the key things what we are working on. So it's like a mutually beneficial, and then for me, it's like technology as well as talking to the leaders is one of the really key things for me. So digital transformation is going to be a huge thing for entire pharma industry, which would transform entire thing. Not only like the technology part of it, the quality part of it. It changes quite a lot. And we also taken a lot of digital transformations inside our company too. Right from collaboration networks to ticket management to project management. The entire thing, is completely done that way. And we're also applying a lot of AI, Gen AI tools, not only on our products, on our day-to-day working too. So this actually transforms quite a lot.
Tell us, what is, when it comes to Caliber, how do you serve the regulated industry and specifically the pharma industry? Just going back a little bit, what exactly is Caliber doing?
That's very good. Caliber is being into quality management for pharma industry, and we do a complete value chain of products. So right from raw material comes into the quality to the certified medicine goes out of the company. So we look at all the processes being completely monitored, controlled, and then we put all the checks and balances on the process. We have 4 verticals in our company. One is the lab, the quality and manufacturing, and the data sciences.
Okay.
So in all these 4 segments, what we do is in the lab we automate the entire quality control, where the quality assurance is the processes and manufacturing automation. So with that, now as I said, all the regulatory agencies have upped their bar into a lot of things now. So we have to rely on more of data sciences now. So we are the first in the industry to set up a huge data sciences division, and wherein they work on the data harvested from all these silos, and then build the statistics and then build the entire analytics of that to ensure that medicines are safer and it is efficient. Okay, so now with the demand of entire pharma industry supply chain, so they have to be efficient as well as quality.
Mr. Sekhar, like you rightly said, right, there is no scope for human error.
That's right.
Especially, so do you think when it comes to all your 4 verticals, quality check is the most critical at this point?
Yeah, I would say yes. Reason being, that's where the entire, it's like a gateway. So unless the quality passes that, this medicine is fit to go to the market, it doesn't go further. And that's where, not only like the quality, the entire the value chain of that, like quality control, assurance, manufacturing. So everywhere human really plays a vital role. So any error due to that would actually make the qualities in a lower way.
When I ask you about Caliber, like the culture, right? What is the secret recipe, or how have you ensuring that Caliber's culture is strong and consistent in the last 25 years, as well as the growth you've seen of the company in the past 25 years?
Caliber culture is centric, and then that is centric towards, it is completely based on human. So our people, our team is our core. It's completely human centric. Our relationships, trust what we have in the team, and we all it's all growing together. And then growth is always there. Growth and innovation, probably I would say. These are the 2 things which go hand in hand. Yeah. Leadership team. They're all like 2 decades with us. And what is really important is they have been growing along with the company. They have been learning every day, and we all together learn every day. So that's a core for us.
What are the lessons that you along this journey have learned and you would like to share with us, our viewers?
When you look at our entire culture of the company, so we don't call anybody as an employee. They're all associates for us.
Okay.
So in the entire our human policy itself, there is no word called employee. So when we treat them with the trust, and there is a mutual trust established, that's a way to grow for the companies.
But Mr. Sekhar, I have to ask you this, as you're celebrating this milestone, is there a message or something you would like to say the people, not just that are working for you, not just your associates, but your clients, your customers, or even your partners? What would you like to say to them, considering it's such a big milestone and you're celebrating it with us?
Yeah, I will first of all say big thank you. And it's been an excellent journey with our people, internal as well as external, with the customers. It has been a trusted relationship with our customers too, wherein we keep learning from them, they learn from us. It's like a mutual respect for that. And then we challenge both the ways, right? So that's how we do that. And it's the trust they imposed on us is really amazing. And we're all going to that.
Tell something youngsters are looking up to you for an advice. What would you like to tell them?
I would say this is an amazing time to be in. And there is no limit. Sky is not the limit too, because we have people outside that. So now this is a time for you to experiment, time for you to live your life, and then do what you're really passionate about. Unless there is a passion to do that one, you would never be successful in that.
That's why right in the beginning I said it was your passion, to actually solve problems, and you wanted simple solutions, and that's why I think Caliber Technologies is where, it is because of your passion, and that's what you ended with.
Absolutely. Passion is definitely the one which drives. Passion and then commitment to what you want to do. So if you look at our journey, we started as a product company. Way back at that time, product companies were not really in things kind of thing. So India is known for service companies. So, but we were very much committed to have a product which is going to be exclusive and then catering to the needs of pharma and then sell patients. So when you do that, we had a lot of compelling opportunities to be in the services, but we stayed in the product area.
And so you focused on one.
Very stay focused on the product area, and then we have really been successful in that. Now today, if you see, we have operations almost in 17 countries, and then we have been catering to all across the globe. So that's our success story on that.
Of course, great learnings, lessons through the journey. But how is it the experience and I would say working globally? What are the learnings from there, which you think even today, because we see a lot of that is happening, the exchange. What would you like to say about that?
When you work globally, you get to know about the requirements or the expectations from other countries too. So what we focus in India is more on the functionality, but outside India, it's more on the looking at the holistic thing, making it easy to operate, making it quicker to do. So from a global perspective, we really learned a lot of things, and actually we also taught a lot of things outside too. Talking about how the functionality, the compliance, how we do it, and then how quickly we can turn around things and then do that. So working globally has been a wonderful experience for us.
Well, it's really been a pleasure to have you with us on this special show on NDTV Profit. Thank you so much, Mr. Sekhar, for joining us today.
Thank you very much.